Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker and the DUMOS Ice Maker. Both of these machines promise quick ice production and convenience. But which one truly stands out? Let's explore their features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique. We'll cover price, design, and performance to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to price, the Sweetcrispy Ice Maker is priced at $59.99, making it a more budget-friendly choice compared to the DUMOS Ice Maker, which retails for $69.99. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution without compromising on features, Sweetcrispy might be the way to go. In terms of design, the Sweetcrispy features a sleek, coal black finish, while the DUMOS Ice Maker comes in a vibrant green color. Both designs are compact and portable, but the choice between these colors may depend on your kitchen aesthetic. The Sweetcrispy's classic look may appeal to some, while others might prefer the modern touch of the DUMOS. Lastly, let's discuss weight. The Sweetcrispy weighs in at 15.4 pounds, making it a lightweight option for easy portability. In contrast, the DUMOS is slightly heavier at 17.6 pounds. If you plan to move your ice maker frequently, the lighter Sweetcrispy may be more convenient. In conclusion, both the Sweetcrispy and DUMOS ice makers offer impressive features for home use. The Sweetcrispy stands out with its lower price and lighter weight, while the DUMOS impresses with its modern design and quiet operation. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.